charging cart sucks. It has given me nothing but headaches.
I'm so sorry to hear that. What are the issues you are experiencing?
First of all, it took me hours to assemble the charging cart. Secondly, the Chromebooks with cases barely fit in the dividers. And lastly, there is no way to keep the chargers organized. I had to buy my own rubber bands to tie the cords up.
Are you sure your charging cart is from our brand, POCHAR?
Oh, I just realized it's not. But what's the difference? Aren't all charging carts the same?
That's not true. POCHAR C30 and C18 charging carts come fully assembled, so you don't have to go through any unclear instructions or tedious assembly time.
What?
In addition, our C30 and C18 charging cards come with extra wide dividers so your Chromebooks fit inside just fine, even with cases and covers. Last but not least, our C30 and C18 have little boxes in the back for charger storage and organization, so you will never have to deal with messy cords ever again.
Why didn't I buy from you guys?
Most people just buy the first charging cart they see online, not thinking about the potential problems they could have. But hey, now you have POCHAR. Why settle with basic charging carts from other brands?
You're right. I would like to place an order of your C30 and C18 charging carts right now.
Shop now at pochar.com or give us a call at 909-930-0998.